All right, before we get started, we're going to have ourselves some coffee by Brewvana, and we're going to do a roast called Peru. So we're going to get this all ready to go, and then we'll get our day started.
So you like coffee too? Say yes I do. My name is Freya.
All right, there is what it looks like. That smells great, amazing. Now let's give a taste test. Oh yeah, that's nice. All right. Well, before we get back to spoon carving, we need to do some gardening work here. We're gonna try some of this Miracle Grow shake and feed on some of these plants that are struggling in this heat and stuff and everything. Now we need to get the compost out of this tumbler here and use it for some of our plants and stuff, and then mix up another batch to start percolating up in there. Oh yeah, that's compost. Okay. These are pears, Asian pears. They still got to put some size on, but they're doing their thing. We just took care of the birds. And let's go over and take a look at these pink lemonade blueberries. That's right, pink lemonade blueberries. There's a few of them. I think the birds are doing their thing. And there's some figs. Need to buy ourselves a little water feature fountain type thing and expand this a little bit, then get that water feature going. Well, here is some good homemade compost. We'll crunch up the eggshells a little bit, but this is some good stuff for free. And we'll get another batch of stuff started up in there. I'm gonna put it up in this old pan here and cart it out there on some of the plants out front. All right. Check on some of these plants around here, and this is where we put some of our homegrown compost. This ought to really do good. Now we'll give it a drink of water and let all that good stuff do its thing.